Good morning. It is December 19th and I am coming on my daily vlog. Oh my goodness, I have so much to share in so little time, but I wanted to share you with some babies. The elves have been busy last night. They've been rearranging a little bit of the tree, and they haven't found something that I just started a tradition with Poppy, Ray, and I. One thing that we had started, and I wanted to share this with you, the pickle. What is up with the pickle? I was watching the show, hold on, I'm trying to open something here, on the Chew, and supposedly this is a tradition over in Germany that I was doing some research, and Ray had lived in Germany for years, and I thought, I should know about the pickle. And what it is I'm going to read to you the tradition of the Christmas pickle. It's a Christmas, and it's a time for jingle bells, stocking presents underneath the tree, and the family traditions. Celebrate the holidays with a time-honored German tradition, and have fun with your family for years to come. Following an old world custom, parents await until Christmas Eve to hide the small pickle. On Christmas morning, the first family member who spots the pickle was rewarded with a special blessing for the coming year received for the first present from under the tree. So I had seen this on the Chew, and I did research, and it's a thing. I mean, and some, I'm trying to start new traditions with Ray and I. So I searched, of course, Walmart and Target and everywhere, and then I thought I went to a Dollar Tree, and no luck, no such luck, until this past Saturday. And guess what we found? We found them. We found a lot of them. And so I picked up one, and Ray said, pick up another one, because we'll have more than one tree, and when the grandkids come visit, one or more grandchild can find the pickle. So, yes, we have the pickle. Oh, it's too cute. And then also what we found, or I thought, I gotta do it. They have a wind up little train set, and I have so many little trees. And with the new addition coming, this is going to be ideal, because we have the big train, but I'm not able to put it up for the fact of the safety of the babies. Look at beautiful Ava. Remember, she's my glam girl. She's the glam girl. And, oh, I have one talking to me. What's she saying? What do? You want to, hello, Badness? Are you mama's boy? Look at him. Yes? Say hi. He is a smart little guy. He watches TV, and he watched the old movie last night with Daddy, and whenever there was an animal on Dr. Dolittle from 1967, the old movie, he was barking at the animals. And of course, hey, my name is Soul, and welcome to Mom's vlog. Yeah, it's Christmas. Yeah, hey, Soul, good morning. And of course I have my beautiful Luna, and of course Miss Blues, and I did have Miss Ava. She's the the other glam girl. She's so funny. I love you. So yeah, I wanted to share that new tradition that we've just started. Another thing that I've been looking for years and years and years. And it's so funny. It's called the White Elephant. There's a game that people play, the White Elephant. And I remember back in the day, the exchangement of gifts. And I finally found the White Elephant. So yes. And of course, the little elves are in the tree waiting for Santa. There's one present there. And oh, who's getting cold? Who's getting cold? Oh, not Ava. Ava's too beautiful. She's a sweet girl. And then there's a present from Amazon. And of course, we have the little vintage Santa and Miss Claus and the sleigh. So, And my mother made that skirt. I have it up on almost like a stilt kind of thing so the dogs wouldn't bother it. You know, I'm just, yeah. Those babies, they like controlling. Oh, look, there's another little guy there. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. The pickle, the beautiful pickle, and share with the babies. So, when you guys want to start a new tradition with your children or grandchildren or just friends that you've adopted, remember the pickle. It just makes it special, and they can enjoy the details that you put into your beautiful tree to celebrate the holiday. Remember what the reason for the season is going to be. We need to remember what is the reason for the season. So I love you, and we'll be back. Love you. Merry Christmas.